बुआ, पर आपका जो आपने मुझे कल केक दिखाया था ना, पर वो है तो बड़ा टेस्टी लगता है, पर है बहुत सुंदर। जब भी आप मेरे घर आओगे ना, मैं आपके घर आऊंगी ना, उड़ीसा आऊंगी ना, ये कोरोना वायरस खत्म हो जाएगा, आपको ना मेरे लिए ना केक बना के रखना, ओके। फिर मैं टेस्ट करके देखूंगी, मुझे फिर ना यही पसंद है, ठीक है। शायद ये भी बुआ ना हेल्दी है, ये वाला केक तो पता खाने का भी जी कर रहा है।
So you have heard the verdict from my darling Paro, who is sitting 1500 miles away from me, but she loved this gluten-free jowar cake, which is sugar-free as well. So for this recipe you need 10 de-seeded or pitted dates. You can increase the amount of dates as per your sweet tooth, sweet liking, sweet preferences, and soak the dates in half cup of water and wait for half an hour. I soaked them one day and used them the next day. I kept it in the refrigerator. You can keep them outside for an hour or two and then they will be ready. Do remember to de-seed them. Now you'll need 2 bananas and puree them along with the dates. The dates should have absorbed all the water. There will be a little amount of water, that's perfect. You will need this for the recipe. Now grind it to paste. Next we'll be adding 1 sachet of coffee. This is equal to 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. You can use coffee powder of your choice, and if you don't want to use coffee, then you can skip it. It's just for flavor. Next we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of flax meal. This is my favorite go-to omega-3 ingredient since I'm a vegetarian. Now half teaspoon of salt and puree again, and next we'll be pouring this wet mix into a bowl. Next we'll be adding half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I always use extra virgin olive oil. You can use oil of your choice. If you don't want to use oil, you can use butter or ghee as well. 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder to make it chocolatey. And coffee and cocoa powder are a match made in heaven, as I have already said in one of my previous videos. Now half cup of jowar or sorghum flour and half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift so that the raising agents mix well with the flour, and next will be folding and mixing the batter. This will be like a loose dough. This won't be like a batter, a cake batter. Now at this stage, preheat your oven, air fry, convection, OTG to 160 degrees for 10 minutes. And if you are baking this cake in air fryer, then you need to preheat it for only 5 minutes. It might look a little dry. If it looks too dry, then you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Otherwise, this will be a loose dough consistency only. And this cake came out to be an extra delicious, healthy, gluten-free cake. Now grease a baking dish or pan with oil and then dust with dry flour. Now pour the cake batter. It's a thick batter. Look at this. It's like a loose dough, very loose dough. Now tap it 3 to 4 times to release the air bubbles. And next we'll be baking these. Yes, you can choose to top the cake with nuts of your choice or even sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds, so I have chosen that. Now bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. This is such a simple cake recipe with jowar or sorghum flour, that is sugar free, refined sugar free as well, and sweetened with dates, and it came out so moist, flavorful and yummy. Of course you will love this cake, and do share your feedback on this delicious gluten-free cake recipe. Leave me a comment on how you find out this cake recipe, and please do like, share and comment. It's a kind of motivation for me. And this is such a spongy cake, and it tasted even better the next day. Look at this. This is perfect for kids, a cake for kids and adults alike. But this is not a diabetes friendly cake. Remember, if it does not use sugar, it is still using dates. Though dates are rich in fiber, this is not a diabetic friendly cake. So I hope you enjoy the sorghum flour cake recipe, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe. And what you do with your own sorghum flour or jowar atta, please share in comments so I get to know what all can be done with this gluten-free healthy mix.